Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I will be guiding you through a quick warm-up. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we have jogging in place. Each exercise is 30 seconds, no repeats, back-to-back, no rest. Let's go ahead and get started with jogging in place. We're breathing in through our nose, out through our mouths. Nice light jog in place. Last few seconds before we move forward to good mornings. Stand up straight, arms come up to your head, hinge at the hips, slight bend at the knees. We're coming forward to a halfway fold, coming back up. Nice strong lower back, strong legs here. You should feel this activating your hamstrings and your lower back. Last couple of seconds here before we move forward to our arm raises. Come back to center, arms come forward, up, down, and then up through our sides, and then back down. Breathing in as they go up, and out as they come down. Last couple of seconds before we move forward to a standing knee raise with torso rotation. Arms come up to your sides, knee comes up, we rotate to one side. We're bringing our left knee to our right elbow as we rotate our torso. Bring it back down and switch and bring that up with our opposite legs. Last couple of seconds here before we move forward to standing toe touches. Send your arms out to your sides. Hinging at the hips, coming across your body, we're coming down. Bringing your hand to your opposite foot. If you need to widen out that stance, widen out those feet so you can come down further down. Last couple of seconds here before we move forward to a feet shuffle, side to side. Here we go, feet come center and out. In, two, out. In, out. 1, 2, out. 1, 2, out. 1, 2, out. Last couple seconds here. Moving forward to our punch, jab and straight combo. Here we go, we're coming to a fighter stance and we're punching. We got a jab and a straight. Coming back to that defense position, hands covering your face. Last couple of seconds here before we move forward to jump rope. Coming back to center, skipping rope. Feel free to use whatever variation you want with your feet. Single steps, double steps, whatever you want. Try to get your heart rate up with that jump rope. Last couple seconds before we move forward to a punch, alternating hook combination. Coming again to our fighter stance, right hook, left hook, right hook, left hook. Focus on your breath. Get those lungs fired up. Nice light, controlled movements. And then we bring up the speed. Last couple of seconds here. We're moving forward to a squat pulse. Come down to the squat position. Widen out that stance. And we're pulsing up and down. I like to inhale as I come down, exhale as I come up. Just a nice pulse. Don't release that squat. Just bring it up and down. Last couple of seconds before we go into an inchworm exercise next. Bring it to the top of your mat. Slide bend at the knees, forward fold. Bring your hands out, walk them out to a plank. Then return to your starting position. Nice strong core here to protect the lower back. Last couple of seconds before we move forward to mountain climbers. Keep it down on the ground. And let's begin. A mountain climber. Keep your hands stacked below your shoulders. Keep that booty low. Keep those strides low. Last couple of seconds here before we move forward to glute bridges. We'll be turning it around onto our backs. Gently come down, turn around onto your bums. Knees are bent, hands are out to your side. Engage your glute in your core to come up to a glute bridge. And come back down. Send it back up. Activate those glutes. And come back down. Last couple of seconds here before we move forward to a plank toe tap. Come on down, turn it back around to a high plank position. Feet are nice and wide. Bringing your left hand to your right toes. Return to your high plank. And try that with your opposite limb. Make sure you don't hyperextend your back as you come back to that high plank. Keep those joints stacked. When you return to that high plank, last couple of seconds here. Coming back up, bringing it up to butt kicks next. Nice. Similar to jogging in place, but we're bringing our feet up to our glutes. Last couple seconds before we come down to a squat and left and right lunge variation. Come down to a squat. Turn right into a right lunge. Come back to that squat. Open up to your left for that left lunge. Squat and repeat. Focus on your form here before you bring up the speed. Last couple seconds before we go to high knees. Bring it back up. Send those knees up. Use those arms and use the core to help get those knees high up. Nice explosive movement here. Last couple seconds before we move over to calf raises. Come on, let's go calf raise. Find your balance. Find your breath. Raise those heels up into a nice calf raise. Last couple seconds. Moving forward to a modified jumping jack. Going start with the traditional up, but then we're coming center and then going up. Center, up, center, up. Again, we're breathing in through our noses, out through our mouths. Nice controlled breathing here. Here we go, skaters is up next. Coming down, across diagonal. We can speed it up. We're replicating a skating motion here. This will help you work on your speed and agility for your exercise ahead. Great job, guys. You did it. Simple warm up. That was about 10 minutes or so. And now you're ready for your workout. I hope you enjoyed today's routine. My name is Juan Alas. It's been a pleasure training with you. This is Fitness for Transformation. Thank you for watching.